Alright, now we're going to be making a video about bandsaw maintenance. Two things you need to know for bandsaw maintenance. One is blade lubrication, which you should do roughly daily if you're using the bandsaw a lot. Every maybe 5 or 10 times you use the bandsaw, you should lubricate the blade. And so you just take it and you roll it into the blade, and you make sure that it gets on the blade. And we've now lubricated the blade. Next thing is changing the blade. The blade right in there right now is a wood and plastic cutting blade with very large teeth. And then we have this metallic blade with much finer teeth. And this is for cutting metals. So to change it, you have two knobs, top and bottom, clockwise to open. You open up the bandsaw, and here we see there's a blade guide here that we need to open. There's a tensioning knob here that sets the distance between these two wheels, and we want to loosen this so that we can just simply slip the blade off. There's a little locking nut here that we also need to remove, but after removing that, we simply slide out the blade and hang it up. We can now put in the metal blade, and that is as easy as putting it in and slipping it over your tension wheels. You want to make sure that you've got the alignment right, which can sometimes take a couple tries, but once you've got it on the wheels, you can go and tension it at the top until the blade is tight, but not so tight that you cannot move it back and forth. That can cause it to snap in material. So there should be some play to the blade, and this blade could be a little further back, but once you get it running without really moving, then you know that you've gotten the blade on right, and you can close up the blade guard, close up the saw, turn these counterclockwise to close them, and reinsert this nut right here. And now the other blade is in, and you can see that it runs okay. Might need and that's bandsaw maintenance. If you break a blade, because blades do break, they have a finite lifetime, talk to Eli and order another blade. And that's all.